Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I have Chiquito again. This is my favourite restaurant. Make sure my address is not showing. Yeah, this is my favourite restaurant. Well, I don't even show the address on here. Sweet. Okay. Yeah, this is a favourite restaurant I've ordered food from. It is amazing. Yeah, I don't know if you see the other order I've done for Chiquito, but they delivered to me now, so I thought I have to. There's no way I can't not order. And then not only that, everything was 20% off the entire menu, so I thought I can't say no to that. Right, first bag we have is sweet potato fries. I didn't order them. I asked for skin on fries. Oh. Next bag is some skin on fries. I did order these. This bag. Oh my god. We have some more fries. I guess I didn't look at the menu properly. Maybe the dishes came with fries. And some onion rings. Let me get an onion ring out for you. These are a bit soggy. These are proper onion rings, so it's like a whole onion ring. Wow, they are nice. I'm not gonna deny that. Okay, here we have ribs. I don't know why they've been cut up like that. We have a beef chili enchilada in here. There's that. That's a chicken torta. Okay, this is the tortilla. Oh, that's bloody hot. There. I said extra chili. I thought it was going to be like a beef chili. I didn't realise it's going to be chili sprinkles. Not bad. Jalapeno poppers here. It's quite nice. It's like a half jalapeno. It's like a half jalapeno filled with cream cheese. In here we have a chicken chimichanga. Don't know what it is. Oh my god, there's so much food here. Right, here we have a pulled pork burrito. Try one of these tortilla chips. Wow, these are massive. Yeah, those chips have no flavour. In here I have some more onion rings. I don't know why. These onion rings are nice, but they're very soft. Right, let me try a rib first. I don't know why it's come like this, but okay, before we get started, I did actually film a video for Friday. Yeah, I did actually film a video for Friday, but it was so bad. Like, I ordered Pizza Go-Go, and it was really a bad video. The pizza tasted fine, the sides weren't all that, but, you know, yeah, I was waffling about too much crap, and yeah, I was not getting my point across how I wanted to get it across. As well, and everything like that. You know, so it was like a completely messed up video, and I just couldn't release it. I wanted to get it out for Friday, but it was that bad. I just couldn't. Right, these poppers come with this jam type sauce, so it's only fair to have one in the sauce. It's like a sweet chili sauce. But before we get started to the video, I've got an announcement to make. I want to give away some more Just Eat vouchers, but I'm not going to do it randomly. I'm choosing now, so I'm giving away to 3 people. 3 people have been on my channel for a long time, who have been watching most of my videos, been on most of my lives. It's been absolutely crazy, and it's my way of letting you guys know how much I appreciate you. So if these 3 people can let me know in the comment section below. They are Sarah and Mark Hill. That's one Sarah Hill or Mark Hill. If you can comment down below and let me know. And I will get a voucher for you. Second person is Kinky Kelly. Kinky Kelly, you've been part of my channel for a long time as well. So if you can also comment down below, and then I'll get a voucher sorted for you. And last but not least is a guy who's been on my channel for a long time. Like, I think he was in the top 100 subscribers. I think he was the first 100 subscribers that subscribed to my channel. and that is Ibo. So if you can also comment in the comment section, please, I would like to also give you a £25 voucher. So the 3 people I would like to comment down below so I could sort out a voucher for you is Kinky Kelly, Ibo and Sarah Hill, or Mark Hill, whichever one of you two would like to comment will be fine, and I will arrange a voucher for you guys. Right, let me try this. This is a chimichanga. Is it like a burrito but deep fried? Let's try. It feels like it. I think this is sour cream in here, so I'm going to try some with a big chunk. Sour cream there. It's not bad. It's really, really not bad. The onion rings are really nice, but I feel like being delivered and being in the bag has made them very soggy. But other than that, they're not too bad. I don't know what that is. I think is that an enchilada? Because what did I get? I got a burrito, chimichanga, enchilada, tortilla, chicken torta, ribs. The reason why I got a full rack of ribs instead of half a rack of ribs is because the same as before. These ribs was like £9.50 or something. These ribs was like £9 for a full rack of ribs, whereas the other one was like 50p cheaper. And I'm not gonna just get half a rack of ribs. You know, 50p for an extra half a rack of ribs. It's a no-brainer. It really is. For those of you who know what a chimichanga is, let me know in the comments, is it a deep fried burrito? Is that all it is, or is there something more to it? What the? Why is there onion in this? Yeah, the winners of the giveaway, I hope, if you haven't already done so. I hope you have a great meal, and I hope it's decent. I don't want you to have a bad meal. If you've had it already, how was it? Did you enjoy it? What did you get? I'm curious to know. Yeah, I'm curious to know what you got, you know, whether it was any nice or not. I went to my mum's yesterday. It was my nephew's 2-year. It was my nephew's birthday, who was 2. It was 2 last week, but we did a party on Sunday for him. That was really nice. My bike broke down on the way to my mum's. I was riding towards Manningtree, and I had to stop. I had to get off and take a break. I was in so much pain. I really had to take a break. So I got off the bike, but for some reason the bike, when I try and start the bike, I thought it was an issue with the battery. It wouldn't start. I would have to jump start the bike. So I kept the engine running. I put the bike in neutral, and I was having a vape, like having a rest, having a vape. And yeah, all of a sudden I saw smoke coming from underneath the seat. I have no idea what that was. I had no idea what that was about. So I put my key in. I lifted up the seat. I put the key in to pop my seat. I lifted up the seat, and there's coolant pouring everywhere, going all over the floor, all over the back. And in the back of the bike, I've got like a small little tank on the left-hand side of the bike. It was splattering out of there. So instantly I turned off the bike. I decided in the end to just go, just ride the bike until it died. Luckily I was at the top of a hill. I managed to get the bike started. I did get to my mum's okay with no problems. Had a great time at my mum's. Let's try this chicken torta. The torta, like the bread, it is so nice. It really, really is nice. Ribs are still nice. Chiquito's still got it. Yeah, I had a really good time at my mum's. It was painful while I was there. It was a nightmare on the way back. Because one, not only was it raining, two, I knew I couldn't stop. Because if I stopped, there was no hills going down on my way home. So if I stopped, I knew I wouldn't be able to get the bike started. So I had to stay on the bike the entire. I was close to tears by the time I got home. It was awful. I've never felt like that before. You know, I'd suffered pain where I have to get off the bike. But yeah, there was no pushing past, no pain barrier. It was all pain all the way home. And it was a nightmare. Yeah, oh my God, that was, I don't want to experience that again. Which is why I very rarely ride the bike anymore. I'm gutted. I used to love riding my bike. You know, I used to go up to the seafront with my mates. Or we used to go to like some sort of social club place, and it was awesome. You know, driving on the bike on the country roads. Oh, it was like heaven. You know. But yeah, I can't do it anymore. But I thought it was a battery issue. I went downstairs. I brought the battery upstairs today, and I charged it, and it was pretty much max battery. It was pretty much a full battery, so it's not a battery issue. I'm gonna try and connect it again and tighten it as tight as I can get it. Yeah, I'm going to try and tighten it as tight as I can get it and see if it was just due to a loose connection between the battery and the bike. Fingers crossed that's what it is. If not, it could potentially be a starter motor issue, which I don't want it to be, but it doesn't matter what issue it has. I'm not repairing it anymore. If it dies, it'll stay dead. My God, that is hot. Damn. Whoa. Whew. I know I got one of them hot. Mine's hot. Yeah. I got. Oh God. That's got me sneezing. Damn. Yeah. Yeah, I got the burrito, mild. Chimichanga, mild. And enchilada, hot. I don't know why I did that. My mouth is on fire. Oh my God, that is hot. Oh man. Oh. Yeah, skin on fires are nice. Right, let me have this. Let me have this last whip. keep trying to take a bite, and I keep biting bone. Yeah, I've got an email from the swimming pool. Wow, that burrito feels hot. Yeah, I got an email from the swimming pool today saying that the swimming pool is closed, and they were saying due to the pool losing a lot of water overnight. And I was hoping to go swimming. I'm hoping to go swimming tomorrow. I'm going to call them tomorrow in the morning and see if they've resolved the issue yet, because I really want to go swimming. I don't want to box up just this. Damn. Why did I... Oh, God. Right, here we go again. Let me try some of this. I don't want to go and get a fork or a piece of cutlery just for this. So, what I'm going to do is use a chip instead. Yeah, I am so looking forward to the future on the channel. One thing that worries me is I want to travel. I want to travel everywhere in the UK. I want to travel around the world and try authentic dishes from each country around the world as well, and do like a mukbang with the food from the country. You know, I would like to go to India and have authentic, proper Indian. I'd like to go to Turkey and have some proper, authentic Turkish. Same with Mexico. But yeah, I would love to go to Brazil and have some authentic Brazilian food and do a mukbang of it, as well as some others, man. So how I'm going to do that, I don't know. I'm hoping and I'm praying, and by God I pray that I can. I used to be able to drive for about 10 miles before I started suffering pain on my motorbike. I couldn't even get 5 miles before the pain started. I'm gutted, I really am. So I don't know how that's going to work. I really don't. Let's see if this is better now with the sauce. Man, my eyes are bigger than my belly. They really are. I'm not going to touch that burrito. I want to save it whole, because it would be easier to heat up if it was a whole burrito rather than half of one, if you get what I mean. I do apologise if you feel like you've been misled by me having the burrito on there as well. I intended to eat a lot, but I only ordered 1 portion of chips and 2 came. I didn't order the fries. I got 2 portions of onion rings, which magically turned into 0 portions. But yeah, I definitely got too much. My eyes was way too big for my belly this time. Yeah, hot stuff in Chiquito is too hot for me. Jesus. This one is beef chili with, and it's hot. Oh, I need to stop there, because if I don't stop there, then I will start suffering pains from eating too much, and I'm fine right now. I feel like if I eat too much and I punch my belly, oh yeah, no. But yeah, I think I'll stop at the point where I'm starting to feel full now, and then I can relax and enjoy the rest of the night. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. It is an amazing journey we're going on together. It really is. Stay tuned. We have loads of giveaways incoming as well. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you did enjoy, and I'll see you again Friday, where I believe I'm having Jamaican food. Oh, stop staring at me. Couldn't help it.